How to view your Instagram notification history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view your Instagram notification history. Now, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account. Once you are logged into your account, you'll get an interface like this. Now, here on the top right of screen, just beside your messaging icon, you can find the heart-shaped icon. Now that's where you'll get all your notifications. Now if you click on it, you'll see all your notification right here. You can see Bipin Basant started following you. You can see an unrecognized device login. You can see this week's notification history, and you can see all your this month's notification history. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see further and further and further. Now my oldest one is Rifakat Hussain, Cristiano Ronaldo, and others set 3 photos. So this way you can view your notification history on your Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.